simulan natin ang ating day sa Dr. Shiba Happy Tummy. And this is the beef flavor for your dog. Ayan po, ang ganda nila. Isa sa marana dito eh. My crush eh. Anyway, my dear friends, isa sa maganda dito sa product na to is it is a dog treat plus pro and prebiotics. In addition, ayun o, may sinend din sa atin si Dr. Shiba, I can never be snackless. And I'm so tired from napping all day. Ang cute. Let's open it. Are you ready? Ayusin mo yung pagdrama mo, ha? Bango. To be honest, my dear friends, mabango siya. Parang snacks lang talaga. Sa tingin ko, human grade din to eh. Love it. Oh, sit to. Sit. Good girl. Jump. Very good girl. Do you like it? It's new to you. That's why. Pero like niya. Sige na, keep on eating it. You like playing with the food? It's too big for you. Ngayon kasi nasanay ka sa mga small stuff, no? Hindi. Kasi kung ayaw mo yun, bibigyan natin kay Magic yan. Ano? Pick. Good girl. By the way, first time niyang kainin. And usually kapag first time sa kanya, may ugali siya na nagiging protected. So, hindi niya minsan kinakain agad-agad yung pinapakain sa kanya. Titikman-tikman niya lang muna. She'll nibble on it, then she'll finish it. Just like this. Ubus na. Are you in for the second one? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, let's do it again. The same routine. Sit. Sit to. Sit. Good girl. Jump. Very good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Ike. Very good girl. So, the second treat, ayan o. Kinain niya kaagad. Inubos niya, kumbaga. Wala nang tinira. Oh! Ubos na! Ubos na kaagad! Ang galing-galing naman ng mo. The third one. Madali. Sit. Sit to. Jump. Sit to. Very good girl. Wait lang, wait lang. Ike. Very good girl. Bakit niluwa mo? Ubusin. Ubusin. Very good girl ang Mufaka. Thanks, Dr. Shiba.